Welcome students. Today's topic is method of elimination. In this video we discuss about what is method of elimination. Till now we discuss the method of substitution in my previous videos. Now in this video we discuss method of elimination. What is method of elimination? If given two equations in two variables and we find one solution of two variables equation, then we apply three methods, which is one of them method of elimination. If you given two equations such that then you find one solution of two equations. We know that equation in two variables have a infinite solution, but we find one solution of two equations. Then we applied some methods, which is one of them method of elimination. So now we discuss about what is method of elimination. So question have, find the one solution of x plus y is equal to 20 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 50 by elimination method. Now we take first equation, that x plus y is equal to 20, and let's consider it equation 1. Then now second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 50. Let's consider it equation 2. What we do now? What can I do? We eliminating one variable. We eliminating one variable in by help of in two equations. What we can do now? First of all, we either eliminate x or y. So in these equations we eliminating x, variable x. So for this we multiplying first equation in by 3, because of we eliminating variables only then when variables are same. First term of variables is same of both equations. Okay. Now we multiply equation 1 by 3, because of if we same step in equation 1 and equation 2, then we multiply by 3 in equation 1. Only then we eliminate variable x in both of equation. So now we multiplying in equation 3, equation 1 y 3. Okay, what we get? 3x plus 3y is equal to 60. Now this is equation, we consider equation 3. Now what can I do for eliminating variable x? We subtract equation 2 by equation 3. So now equation 3 subtracting equation 2. Okay, what we get? 3x plus 3y is equal to 60. Now equation 2, 3x plus 2y is equal to 50. Now we take this term inside. 3x plus 3y minus 60 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 2y minus 50 is equal to 0. Now we subtract it, and we know that when I subtracted equation, the sign will change. Then plus is minus, plus is changed to in minus, minus is changed to in plus. Then we subtract this equation. 3x minus 3x cancel. 3y subtracted by minus 2y. Then we get only y minus 10. 60 subtracted by minus 50. Then we get minus 10 is equal to 0. We have y is equal to 10. Now we have one variable in both of equation, y is equal to 10. Now we put it into equation 1. Now putting y is equal to 10 in equation 1. We get, now put y is equal to 10 in equation 1. X plus 10 is equal to 20. Now we take 10 in outside. Okay, x is equal to 20 minus 10. 20 subtracted by minus 10. Then we get x is equal to 10. From this method, we get the value of two variables, x and y. Here x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10, also 10. Then the solution of both equation is point 10, 10. This is the only solution of both equation, and this is the method of elimination. By elimination method, we find one solution of two variables equation. We know that one equation which is two variables, then it's have infinite solution. It's have infinite solution. If we find one solution of two variables equation, then we take some methods. One of that method of elimination. In my previous video, we explained the method of substitution. So if you don't seen that video, then first of all you seen that video, then you understand this topic very carefully. Okay, and interesting topic it is very interesting topic. So the point of 10, 10 is only one solution of both equation. Okay, it is not necessary to only change eliminating variable x. You change eliminating variable of y. You can change or eliminating variable y, then you get point same 10, 10. You check this. If you eliminating variable y, then you multiply in equation 1 y 2. What we get? Multiplying two equation, we get 2x plus 2y is equal to 40. Okay, we consider that equation is 4 because of equation. It is your second method. Okay, now we subtract this equation from this equation. Okay, what we get? Equation 3 subtracted by equation 4. 3x plus 3y is equal to 60 subtracted from 2x. Before subtracting, you need two same variable, but there have no same variable. Because of this equation 2, we being fall in equation 3. We consider equation 2, not equation 3. So now we take equation 2. Sorry, we have mistake. Equation 2 subtracted from equation 4. Okay, now what we get? 3x plus 2y is equal to 50 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 40. Now we know, then if I subtracted two equations, then the sign of that equation will be changed. Okay, then plus change into minus, plus change into minus, and there plus change into minus. Okay, 3x subtracted by 2x, then we get only x. 2y cancel by 2y is equal to 50 subtracted by 40, then we get 10. Okay, x is equal to 10. We get the value of one variable x. Find second variable. We put this value in equation 4 or equation 2. So we put that value in equation 4. Putting this value in equation 4, what we get? x 2 into 10 plus 2y is equal to 40. 20 plus 2y is equal to 40. 2y 20 is take 2 outside, then 40 minus 20. 2y is equal to 20. Now we divide by 2. 2y is equal to 10. Here we have x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. Then point is ten comma 10, which is similar the point of this. So if be eliminating variable, then be eliminating x or y, we get answers similarly. Okay, so this is the method of elimination. Now time that motivational line. Now is the time of motivational line. What in these lines we aim that you achieve success in your life and you take benefit from me, because that line inspirational you, motivational you, first achieve your goal and achieve your success in your life. So line such that everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. So keep patience, keep faithful for your goal and continue walking, hardly walking for your goal. Never be stop in your life, because if you stop, then never you get achieve your goal. If you achieve your goal, then you continuously walking your goal. So if you like my videos and my method of teaching, then like my videos, subscribe my channel and commented my videos. In this videos we stop at all. Okay, so if you like my videos, then very thank you so much.